This week in Moodle, you'll be studying vocabulary related to clothes and accessories. So let's go over the pronunciation of some of them. This one, for example, is Hawaiian shirt, Hawaiian shirt. Bikini, bikini. Skirt, skirt. Vest, vest. High heels, high heels. Dress pants, dress pants. Jumper, jumper. Sneakers, sneakers. Hoodie, hoodie. Mittens, mittens. Flip-flops, flip-flops. Handbag, handbag. Socks, socks. Singlet, singlet. Swimsuit, swimsuit. Boots, boots. Umbrella, umbrella. Tank top, tank top. Trench coat, trench coat. Winter coat, winter coat. Scarf, scarf. Dress, dress. Cap, cap. Polo shirt, polo shirt. Straw hat, straw hat. Shorts, shorts.